the filter here they are. Okay, and job roles we can click here. Many filter will come. Okay, if we want to see the like gender wise, if we want to see the like data like job role wise, then many filter will come. Okay, then we will remove that condition. We will use a like advanced like topics in this. We can cover, go to same pivot table analysis, click on insert slicer. Insert slicer means of use a slicer for filter data usually. Okay, whatever we are using the like KPIs, we can cover it, we can use it, explore it, and insert slicer. So make it faster to easier filter tables, pivot charts, and cube function. Did you got it? Before that, did you try any that
Yes, yes, got
functions?
it.
Nagendra and Vignesh and Nagendra?
Yeah, Abhinav, I didn't try that before.
Okay. Okay. That this function will use like if we will go to like Excel automation, that this function we need to cover it right now. Okay.
Okay.
Calculation functions. So like I defined you one function, but at least you need to try to like something percentage and minus divided. You need to try to 4 to 5 functions, and I will like show you tomorrow. But right now you told me like my laptop it is not working. Please try it like as soon as possible. Right, like laptop will be fine. Otherwise, like this class will be go end up with you.
Yeah, yeah, I
Understood?
got it. I
Okay.
understood.
I right now I'm telling you because that time I learned na, that time two
Yeah.
and three times I forgotten this one, these are points, because right now we are every day we are exploring, that's why it is coming under me.
Okay.
Okay, so right now I'm telling, please take your laptop,
Yeah.
like this laptop it is very fine, that you can take it. Okay,
Okay.
then last point we will cover insert slicer. Insert slicer. Insert
Abhinav,
slicer.
can you please repeat again what you said about laptop?
Insert. Okay,
No.
wherever we have created already the pivot tables. Okay, we
Okay.
will give the like proper formatting, and we will set the names and all things. We will take
Yeah.
a like calculation functions, field and item set we have already covered. Okay,
Okay.
we
Okay.
can try it. I have already defined the one formulas. If you want to calculate fields and if you want to solve orders, then you can get, if you whatever you
Yeah.
have mentioned the formula, and that time you will forget that formula, you can check it from here. You can click list formulas, then you will get the in Excel sheets list formula, this one type of. Understood?
Yeah.
This
Got it. Got
formulas
it.
what we were used that time.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
Sit. Okay, so first we will click insert slicer. First we will put the pivot table. Okay, we will track all their details whatever we are required in this like data, like last name, first name, and job role, education, anything we can, you can take it. Okay, after
Okay.
that we will go to like this one condition. After that whatever we will go in option. We will go to display. We will set the classic. And if you want to layout in format, if any cells is coming to empty, then we will click the zero here. Okay, and click that OK. This format is it is ready. And after that we will go to again this one like field sets. We will calculate a one formulas. Okay, like this one minus this one we have already covered. Next thing whatever we will do, we want to like the filtration in these accordingly. If I will go to first like department, job roles, and education, we will filter it here manually, then it will take too much time. So whatever we will do in Excel, they have already given us one one options, insert slicer. Okay, then insert slicers we will click whatever we are using that tables. That table it will automatically all headers it will reflect in there. Understood? Understood?
Yeah, I understood.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. Then we want to filter wherever like many filter it is requirement, because we can't do it the like filter like of the any values is it is coming, then we can not filter it. We can filter it only like job role type, department type, gender type, metal status type, we can filter it. Okay, Then we will, these are filtering condition, we will select it here. Gender. Okay. And married
Okay.
status. We will select. Click OK. We will set one by one. This key will, it will work for all, like Power BI and Excel dashboard also it will work. Okay.
Okay.
Please revise it 1 and 2 and 3 times. If it is not coming, let me know, we will cover again. But don't forget. Like department ID we don't have requirement, then we can close it, no problem. Single. We will set the job roles. We can set it. Okay. Right now we don't have put it the any filters. Okay. Right now it is not coming any filters. We will click here first. We will go to slicer setting. Okay, whenever we will put the slicer, then slicer setting it will come. Whatever we will, you will want to like row items and fit bottoms and size, you can fit it. Whatever you want to bring to format select panels, you can click it here. Okay, it will automatically it will reflect here. Okay. So next we want to three condition in there. First, in this data, job role job role should be healthcare, and how many females there in the married females there, like job role should be healthcare, or gender should be female, and status should be married. We will click healthcare, and status should be married and female. This will data will reflect right now. Filter, you will put the filter, data will reflect it in your accordingly. You can put it right now. You will, if you are putting the filters it here, that is not like professionally way, because right now also I am using in that office time, but sometime I am using this one type of. If you are preparing any dashboard, if you are preparing any like if you are going to any prepare like advanced dashboard, advanced automation, then I will suggest you need to try this one things of slicer. Understood?
Understood.
You will explore it.
Yeah.
This will, I am telling you again to again, this will like starting to point of the data analysis.
Okay.
Many interview they will ask you, can you tell me like what is the slicer of definition. If you want to slicer definition, you will your definition, you will click here and go to here. And also I will provide you in a one note, I will give you, and I will update you for slicer notification.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then tomorrow we will cover the topic the insert timelines, connections. Okay, these are like pivot table. It is coming to like designs. All things is covered. This we will cover, and also some like formulas. And we will move. We will go for next step for in data analysis. Okay,
Okay.
but this like of we have two things covered in the data analysis: conditional formatting, and second one is slicer. Please don't forget these things. Try to 2 and 3 times. Try to 4 and 5.